Good afternoon. Today I just wanted to create a quick video explaining a little bit more about the magazine cover project that's due on April 11th. You have 2 weeks to work on this project and only this project for this class. I have some videos right here in the assignment link that might help you get some ideas on creating a magazine cover. With the magazine cover, remember you're going to want to use layers. It'll help you be able to manipulate and maneuver things a little bit easier in your magazine cover. The instructions state that you can use the videos above to help guide you in creating the magazine cover. Create your own magazine cover. Don't make a copy of a current magazine. Now that's not saying I can't make a People magazine cover, but I don't want you to look at October's edition of People and have the exact same articles and things. Kind of make up your own, do some searches, put a couple things together. I want to see some creativity. You may use a popular magazine title or develop your own. You need to come up with your own article ideas. You can use pictures of famous people if you would like. So for instance, if I want to have Sandra Bullock on the cover, that's fine. I go out and find a picture of her. Or if you want to have your sister or your husband or your daughter on the cover, that's perfectly fine too. Completely up to you guys. When creating the magazine, use the following specs. You're just going to go into Photoshop and go File, New, and you're going to create a blank file that size is 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches tall. When you're done with your magazine, you're going to upload it as a PSD file and a JPEG file. Now remember, when saving them, don't save them at the highest quality because it's hard, they're too big then, which makes it hard for you to upload. I did find some examples of last year's magazine cover to share with you. This is one that a student did on prom. She just made a prom magazine, and as you can see in her layers palette down here, she's got many layers, which made it really easy for her to move things around. The title, Your Prom, she used really big bold font and font style. She used some text effects, which you would definitely want to do for your title. She even had down here the little Scantron thing, the spring 2011, and then a bunch of different ideas. Remember, you don't want to have too much blank space on a magazine cover. That doesn't sell magazines. You want it, the more articles, the better. However, you don't want it to be too cluttered either. So this was a good example of that. I have another one. Let me blow it up a little bit. This one was a student, did it on Wizards. This is a completely, I think, made up magazine. And she just put one picture, a background, and then a bunch of different bunch of articles. So these are two examples. These two students got all the points for their magazine. So I wanted to share those with you so you can kind of see what I'm looking for. Good luck, and again, don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. I'm really looking forward to seeing these. Have a good day.